I'm going to be showing you how to get selection contract in eFootball. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So let's start with what selection contract actually is. So it lets you pick a player from a special selections list, and instead of getting random players, you get a very valuable item. So some of the ways to get them is the events. This is the main method. You can play in event matches, tour events, challenge events, complete objectives, earn rewards, and sometimes includes selection contracts. And you also have campaigns and login bonuses, special campaigns and seasonal events. GoToMe occasionally gives free selection contracts. You can also try completing your objectives or missions, check missions or objectives tab, and complete tasks like win matches, score goals. The important thing to know about it is that it's not always available and it is a limited time item, so it must be used before expiry. So that's how you get a selection contract in eFootball. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.